is indicators. When I click on that indicators, it opens the indicators for me. So here I can add indicators. So these are trend indicators like the popular moving average that almost everybody knows, the moving average, Bollinger Bands, parabolic SAR. These are the oscillators, the volumes, the Williams, depending on what you know best to use or what you've learned to use. So you can add anyone. Let's say I want to add a moving average. I can click on a moving average, put in the period, select whether it is a simple moving average, exponential, smoothed. So let's say simple moving average. I apply to close. Then the style, you can make it thicker or lighter by using the pixel size. Maybe 1 pixel is very tiny, 2 pixels make it maybe larger. Then you can select the time frames you want it to appear. If you want it to appear in all time frames, or if you want it to appear in selected time frames, you can remove the ones you want or save changes. Then the color, you can select the color you want it. Unless I want it to be this color. When I click done, when I get back to my chart, the moving average is right there. So if I also want to add the Bollinger Bands, save, get back, this is the Bollinger Band. Let's say I want to add stochastic oscillator. When I click on that, save, see my stochastic oscillator is right here. So this is exactly how you add your indicators. And if you want to delete the indicators, you can just come back to that, then click on this bin button, select the ones you want to delete. Maybe I want to delete the moving average, then click on delete. It's deleted. Okay, if you want to delete the Bollinger Bands, you can also come back to this point, click on delete. Bollinger Bands is no longer there. That is exactly how you can add indicators.